Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and the fifth and final episode in my Algar series. Today we're sticking to the coastline and we're exploring the Algarve, Benagil Caves, Algar Seco and the Marinha beach. So here we are at one of the most famous spots of the Algarve, the Benagil Cave, also Algar de Benagil. This massive dome, the skylight, the golden rock. The cave was shaped naturally over tens of thousands of years by the power of the Atlantic Ocean. It's easily one of the most iconic sea caves in the world.
So we are at Benagil Caves. I didn't realize we were standing on top of it the whole time. So a few years ago, the entrance to the caves was actually closed off because there were so many kayaks in the area, so many people actually swimming from the shore to the actual caves itself. So right now we are in Algar Seco.
This is Algar Seco, a jaw-dropping stretch of coastline in Cabo. But the rock formations you see today didn't happen overnight. They are the result of millions of years worth of geological shifts. Over millennia, seawater erosion and weather carved out caves, grottos, natural windows and tunnels in the rock face. What was once solid limestone gradually transformed into a labyrinth of marine carved sculptures.
Have some sort of tide pool, I'd say. Fine.
A short walk from Algar Seco and you reach one of the coolest hidden spots on this coastline, Boneca, which literally means the doll in Portuguese. People say the rock shape from the outside looked a bit like a doll's head, which is how it's got its name. But honestly, what makes Boneca special isn't the shape, it's the view. The waves crashing, the cliffs glowing gold, and the Atlantic stretching out endlessly in front of you.
Here is the cliffy dump spot. How you can see this looks like a wash machine. It's not a safety day to jump, okay?
Okay, now we're visiting Boneca.
Welcome to Praia de Marinha, one of the most iconic and photographed beaches in the entire Algarve. And honestly, when you see it from up here, you know exactly why. The descent down to Marinha is part of the experience. These steps take you from the massive cliffs right down to soft and crystal clear waters.
John's out there. One thing I will say, guys, is learn to appreciate life because you don't know when you get taken away. I'll see you guys for another vlog. So we are here at the Chimney, a traditional Nepalese restaurant.